Welcome to Sweet Pine TV. Let us learn the CVC words from AB, AD and AG families. Dad took me to the lab. Dad took me to the lab. Mag wrote on her pad. Mag wrote on her pad. Dad had a bad rag. Please repeat. Dad had a bad rag. My pal had a tab. My pal had a tab. The bag has a tag. Please repeat. The bag has a tab. The police will nab this mad lad. The police will nab this mad lad. The cab driver likes to gab. The cab driver likes to gab. The sad dog didn't wag. The sad dog didn't wag. The doctor will jab the needle to the lad. The doctor will jab the needle to the lad. She had to lag because of her bag. She had to lag because of her bag. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next time with my new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.